How to reset Windows 11. Resetting your Windows 11 is a straightforward process. Simply open up settings, and once you open settings, this is the interface you will see. Now from here, all you have to do is on the left hand side, you can simply go to this option called system. So just go to the system option here. When you're on the system option, you have to scroll a bit further below until you see this option that says recovery. It says reset advanced startup or go back. So just go to recovery. Then all you have to do is just select this option called reset this PC. So when you click on reset PC, now you can choose to keep your files and only reset the Windows, but you can choose to remove everything, which I recommend personally, because if you keep your file, it might cause a bit of lags because it will not erase everything. So better to take a backup of your file in a hard drive or somewhere else and then just completely remove everything. Or if it's not important, you can just leave it and click on remove everything, and once you've done that, then you will be able to basically reset your Windows 11. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.